Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So this morning, the little man and I are running into town to see if we can get a couple of engines bought. An awesome deal popped up on Facebook last night that was just too good to pass up. I guess he's got a couple of people coming, and we're just trying to be the first ones there. But so one of the engines is a 302, and it doesn't have a tranny or anything with it. The other one is a 360 with a mated automatic transmission, which would be awesome. I don't really care about the 360 all that much. I mean, the block will be good, but that automatic transmission, I think, we have a couple of builds that we could use that in. So, for the price, just trying not to miss it. So we'll head over here and see if we can find this guy. And
hi.
Yeah. We'll see if they're as good as he says they are. Was successful. Met a really cool guy. I mean, Eldon, I think we're gonna have to have Eldon on the podcast. Super cool guy. He's building a rat rod in his garage that's just spot on. But we ended up picking up the 302, the 360, and the transmission. Just, it was right, and had an easy way to load it. So yeah, really excited about that. Now we're gonna head down to Shane's, get this stuff unloaded, and then maybe go get some lunch. What do you say, bud?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, what do you think, man?
Good stuff.
Yeah.
What's up, Emmett?
I hurt my arm.
6,
No, I hurt
8.
my elbow.
I got 8 302 manifolds.
Shane, I hurt right here. It got out here, right here.
Oh, okay.
It hurt. Don't touch it.
Get up here.
So we got a 360 FE automatic tranny, 302, and a ton of manifolds, which I figured these are things that we could always use. So it's the day everybody was waiting for. We got the slicks.
Yeah!
We got the horn coming apart, too.
Cool. So, like we were saying the other day, when we picked up the Bronco, we picked up a set of slicks.
Yeah. You can't go wrong with a set of slicks. Just to have some fun.
And that's what we intend to do.
Man, they're freaking noisy. They probably got rocks all
You
Oh,
got
yeah.
rocks in it, right?
Definitely. Hey,
stacked up in them.
what do you think?
Good.
So I would say that's a pretty successful day. Starting things off by picking up the 2 engines and the new transmission for some projects was great. Getting to sit and chat with Eldon a little bit about his rat rod projects and some of the stuff that he had. He had some cool stuff kicking around the property. Unfortunately, he didn't want me doing a bunch of filming, but you know, it is what it is. I'm looking forward to maybe catching up with him again. He seemed like he was pretty interested in coming on to the podcast and chatting about his build. It's pretty cool. Obviously, the little guy is absolutely tuckered out from all the running around today, but yeah, I had a great day. I don't know how else to put it. I think this evening the plan is to spend a little time with the family. I know my wife is planting all of her new flowers that she just picked up, and I think we'll watch some shifting gears and just kind of unwind. So it'll be good. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos, and I'm having a great time making them. So thanks again, and we'll catch you next time.